Welcome to the CSS Tech YouTube channel. This video is a part of complete Python tutorial for the beginners. In today's video tutorial, we are going to learn about the Hello World programs, how you can write your first program and execute your code on your computer terminal or the Python console. Even if you don't have any setup, I will explain how you can execute your code using online IDE. Then we will see why it is important to write the Hello World program. Then we will also compare writing the Hello World program in Python, C++, and Java. From this you will learn why Python is so user friendly as compared to any other programming languages. At the end of this video tutorial, I will also share some of the very important tips and tricks that you can use with the print statement. Watch this video till the end. Writing the Hello World program in Python is very simple. This is very introductory program that developers write when they learn a new programming language. You just have to write the print message and it will be displayed on the console. So you can write your Hello World program on your terminal or console, or even you can use the online editor to write your Hello World program. So here we are going to use the CSS Tag IDE. I will share this link in the description so that you can also use this IDE to write your program or to practice the coding. I'm choosing the Python as a programming language. You can either choose Python 3 or Python 2. By default, you can see that there is a print Hello World message. So I'm just going to erase this program and write it again. Print Hello World. Now we are just going to execute your program. When I click on the run button, you can see that your program is getting executed and you can see that the output as a Hello World. So this is very easy programming language to learn. Now let's understand what does this mean, print Hello World. So print is nothing but the inbuilt functions that comes pre-built with the Python, so you don't have to import any library to use the print statement. And inside the parenthesis you just have to provide the string. So string in Python, the string is nothing but the set of the characters that is always enclosed with the double quote or single quote. You can also use the single quote here instead of double quote. Now just execute the program. We are just clicking on the run button. You can see that your program is getting executed and you will see the same output as you were getting earlier with the double quote. And it's not only about the passing the string here in the Python statement, you can also pass the integer. So suppose if you are passing the integer number, let's take it number 45 and execute the program, it will print that value as a 45 here. Here is the output. We can also pass the multiple parameters to the print statement. Suppose if you are I'm just printing here number, you just have to separate each parameters by comma and we are just executing a program and you see the number 45. So we are printing both the parameters number and the 45. In print statement you can also perform the mathematical operations. Suppose if you want to perform 56 plus 45, and if you execute your program you will see the sum of these two numbers here as output. So you can see the 1 not 1. You can also perform subtraction here. You can perform any mathematical operations like addition, multiplication, division or the subtraction, and you will see the output here. You can even use the Python as a simple calculator for your calculation. Next time when you want to perform any mathematical operations, instead of using the calculator, I would suggest you to use the Python. Now we are going to use the terminal or command prompt to execute our Python code. So here I am using the MacBook, and on MacBook you can see the terminal here. You just have to click here and you will see the terminal. Now you have to print the Python to open the Python console. You can see that I have installed Python 3.9. Now I can write any Python program to execute here. I'm just writing the print and inside there I'm just writing Hello World. Enter to execute it. You can see the output Hello World. I can also pass any integer value here instead of the string. It will print that value. I can also perform any mathematical operation. Suppose if you want to add 45 plus 22 and click on that, you will see the addition operation. You can also perform subtraction. Similarly, you can also perform multiplication. Even you can perform division. This is how you can use a Python console to execute some of the very simple mathematical calculations. To come out of this Python console, you just have to type exec and parenthesis. You will come out of this Python console. If you compare the Python code print statement with other programming languages like a C, C++, let's see the C program. If you look into the C program, you can see that there are almost 5 lines of code that you have to write just to print the hello world program. Also have to include the library here stdio.h. And if you compare it with the C++, even in C++ you have to write the 5 lines of code where we have to import the IO stream and use the namespace just to print the hello world program. Now let's move to the Java. In Java also you have to write almost 5 lines of code, and this is really cumbersome writing the code just to print the hello world program. When you compare it to the Python 3, it is just 1 line of code that you have to write to print the hello world program. Now we will see some of the very interesting stuff that you can do along with the print statement. If you take any string, let's take CSS tag, and if you multiply it with the integer, suppose like let's say you are multiplying it by 5, when you execute program you will see the output here. In the output you can see that the CSS tag got printed 5 times. Now let's perform the addition operation on the two string. Suppose like the first string is CSS tag and the second string is programming tutorial. When you perform any addition operation, it will append those two strings and we'll get the output here. Just let's execute the program and you will see the output as a CSS tag programming tutorial. When you perform any addition operation on the integer number, it will perform mathematical addition operation there. But when you perform any addition operation on two string, it will perform concatenation. So basically, what is the purpose of writing the hello world program here? Here the basic purpose of writing the hello world program is to understand the Python syntax and also use to test your development environment if it is working properly or not. Printing hello world is the first program that any developers write when they learn a new programming language. It helps them to understand the basic syntax behind writing the hello world program and also helps to test their environment. When you run your program and get the output hello world, that means that your environment is configured correctly and you are ready to use your Python. This is the first tutorials in our complete Python programming tutorials. I will keep sharing more such tutorials. If you are really interested to learn the Python, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and stay tuned. This is all about this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.